In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an OBJ file into Blender. If you've ever needed to bring a 3D model into Blender for editing, whether it's for animation, rendering, or simply experimenting, knowing how to do this is a fundamental skill. So let's dive in and explore this process together. First, let's open Blender. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. Here, you'll find the menu where all the magic begins. Click on File. You should see a drop-down list of various options. From these, hover your mouse over Import. You'll be presented with several choices for different file types that Blender can handle. In this case, we are looking to import an OBJ file, one of the most commonly used file formats for 3D models. So go ahead and select Wavefront.obj from the list. This action will open up a file browser, which may be familiar to you if you've navigated through your computer's directory before. Now, navigate through your folders and find the OBJ file you want to import. It might be saved in your Downloads folder on your desktop, or wherever you keep your 3D assets. Once you've found it, click to select the file. After you've made your selection, you'll notice an option that says Import Wavefront OBJ. Simply click on this, and your 3D model will begin loading into Blender. It's important to note that, depending on your version of Blender, there might be an option to choose between what's known as the experimental or legacy importer. The experimental importer is designed to be faster and more efficient. However, sometimes speed can come at a cost. If you notice that your mesh isn't appearing as expected, perhaps it looks distorted or not quite right, you might want to switch to the legacy importer. The legacy option might be slower, but often it handles those tricky files better by maintaining more compatibility with older or more complex models. Finally, once your model is loaded, it will appear in Blender's viewport. That's the large central area where you view and interact with your 3D scene. From here, you have the freedom to manipulate your model. You can move it around to position it perfectly, rotate it to get the right angle, or scale it up and down to fit within your scene's context. And that's it. You've successfully imported an OBJ file into Blender. This simple foundational skill opens up a world of possibilities as you explore the incredible features Blender offers to bring your creative visions to life. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different models and settings. Thanks for watching, and happy Blendering.